Counting sort is an algorithm for sorting an array of non-negative integers. The input consists of an array of non-negative integers to be sorted, and the maximum value of the non-negative integers. We could also determine the maximum value inside the algorithm and only take the array as the input. We create a count array consisting of k+1 zeros and an output array of the same length as the input array. The jth entry of the count array is updated to be the number of integers of value j in the input array. We then update the ith entry of the count array to store the cumulative count of the values less than or equal to I in the input array. Lastly, we traverse the input array from its last entry down to the first entry. We use the count array to determine the correct position of each value in the output array. If the value is j, then we decrement the value of count j by 1. And we place the value j at index count j in the output array. In this example, we are given an input array of 6 non-negative integers. Clearly, the maximum value is 5. Hence, we initialize a count array of 6 zeros and update the ith entry of the count array to store the number of integers equal to I in the input array. Next, we update the value of count I so that the ith entry of the count array stores the cumulative count of all values less than or equal to I in the input array. Lastly, we traverse the input array from its last entry down to the first entry. For each value j in the input array, we decrement the value of count j by 1, and we place it at index count j in the output array.